Welcome to this Hailuo AI image to video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to convert your images into engaging videos using Hailuo AI. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to hailuoai.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. If you don't have one, quickly sign up using your email or Google account. Step 2. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Create or Image to Video option. This will take you to the workspace where you can start your project. Step 3. Upload the image you want to animate. You can drag and drop the image or click the upload button to browse from your computer. Step 4. After the image is uploaded, Hailuo AI will display several animation styles. Choose the one that best fits your vision. Options may include talking head, eye blink, head movement, or full facial animation. Step 5. Now it's time to add audio. You can either upload a pre-recorded voiceover, enter text for AI text-to-speech, or even record directly using your microphone. Step 6. Select the voice style, language, and tone. Haliuo AI offers multiple voices, male and female, with different accents and emotional tones to match your content. Step 7. Once the voice and animation are selected, click the Generate Video button. This process may take a few moments, depending on the length and complexity. Step 8. After rendering is complete, preview your video. If you're satisfied, you can download it or share it directly to your social media platforms. And that's it. You've successfully created a video from a single image using Hailuo AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools. Thanks for watching.